Hello children, in the last video we have done the poem The Cherry Tree, page number 31, and only we had done half of it. So today we will continue it from I Could Only Wait. Before starting today's video, I would like to recall the things that I had explained in the last video. We saw that a small boy remembers that 8 years ago one incident had taken place, and the incident was that he wanted to have his own tree. So he just sown one small seed of cherry in the soil. He watered it once and then he forgot to take care of that small seed which had to become his own tree. But it is a natural process of a plant to grow. So that small tree grew itself and it became a little plant. When he had to see many odd circumstances like being cut by grass cutter or having disease in the monsoon season, being shriveled because of no moisture and having no enough air or light for his growth. So there were many things that came as obstacles in his path to grow, but that little plant did not give up. We are going to continue the poem and let's see what happened after it. So we are going to start. I could only wait as one who watched wandering while time and the rain made a miracle from green growing pain. The boy narrates that at that time he was unable to do anything rather than watching the small plant, how it grows, how it struggles with the obstacles, and whether it will grow or it would die. He had no option just to watch it and wander here and there, but at that time, when he had nothing to do with that, time and rain did some miracle. What is a miracle? Miracle means happening that we can see, we can witness, but we cannot identify how it happened and what are the causes of that miracle. So there was one miracle. Miracle was that the small plant which was green in color, which was in pain. You know what was the pain? That he was getting not enough light, not enough rain or air to grow. So that small plant started growing, and at that time also it was in pain, but it was growing itself. This was the miracle. I went away next year, spent a season in Kashmir, came back thinner, rather poor, but richer by a cherry tree at my door. The poet forgot about it as he could do nothing for it, so he went to spend his summer season in Kashmir, his vacation in Kashmir. Next year, when he came back from there, he was thinner than earlier. Means he is talking about his health. As he was out of his home, there was nobody to care for him. So he became thinner than earlier, rather poor. Also, he says that he became poor. He had not enough money with him. But what he found when he returned, he says that he had become richer. How he had become richer than earlier? Because this time he had a cherry tree at his door. that he had not imagined that could take place. He thought that the cherry tree had so much obstacles, so much difficulties in growing, so it could not grow anymore and it would die anytime. This was the poor boy's thinking. But when he came back, when he saw that the little seed which had become a small plant had become a tree now, and he thought that he is no more thinner, he is no more poor, but he had become richer than earlier because now he had one possession of his own cherry tree, 6 feet high, my own dark cherry. This line tells us what was the height of that tree. 6 feet. It is surely more than your height and my height. So the tree had grown enough, it had reached to 6 feet, which means it had grown higher. And it had dark cherries in it. That the boy says, my own dark cherries. He says that the cherry belonged to him. He was the owner of that cherry tree, so the cherries were his. Now we move to the next page, page number 32, next stanza. And I could scarcely believe it a berry. It was very difficult for him to believe it that the small baby plant, which was once a small seed, was now giving berry. Berry means fruit. Was producing new fruits now, ripened and jeweled in the sun, hung from a branch just one. The poet says that all the berries or each and every fruit was ripened, means they were ready to be eaten, and it was like jewel. The tree was looking decorated in the sunlight. When sunlight fell on the tree, it looked beautiful, like it had different jewelries on it, and it was looking very beautiful, hung from a branch just one, and each branch had one cherry hanging from there. Today we complete up to here. The rest part of this poem will be dealt in the next video.